This fact rolls over into the world of Christmas performers. Not every Santa Claus representative is going to look the same, and that's okay, so long as you look good. Make the man at the North Pole proud to have you represent him. I want you to represent me. Ho ho ho. Even within the red suit wardrobe, there are different suits and styles of pretty much everything. Don't be afraid to add something that helps you stand out and be yourself. Whether that be, a certain belt buckle or, tooled belt, gloves, different greetings and jokes, or the length and style of your beard. You can become the best version of a Santa Claus representative by simply incorporating more of you. There have been examples of representatives using props to add to their visits, puppets to provide more entertainment by introducing another special visitor, or, small gifts like pins or stickers they can leave at the homes they stop at. The list goes on and on. What you can do to make your Santa Claus portrayal customizable